Good day, good day. Uh, I will be your reporter for today. My name is already on my slide. We will talk about Saint Venant equations and numerical solutions. Ag-assess naman ako tanan tamo classmate no kasabot man mo tanan magbisaya, so magbisaya lang ko kay para dali lang masabtan. Ang table of contents, we have 3: introduction, Saint Venant equation, og sample. Now, quick history. Adhemar Jean-Claude Barre de Sauvignon was born in France and he died at 88 years old on January 6, 1886. After his death, 135 years ago, his contribution on the betterment on engineering field is still here, as well as on engineering students suffering. He was a mechanic and a mathematician who contributed to early stress analysis and also developed the unsteady open channel flow shallow water equations, also known as the Saint Venant equations, that are a fundamental set of equations used in modern hydraulic engineering. Now, introduction. We have terms. We have picture here na ay subsection, width, depth, velocity, o na ay discharge. So, ang ginatawag diri sa top width sa subsection dapit is the top width. Ang katunga is width. Kay lahi-lahi man na naga-vary depende sa open channel kung unsa ang kabagaon sa width. Nya ang cross-sectional area, mo na siyang area na gina-coveran sa atong open channel. Kung bale parallel siya sa flow sa tubig, ay perpendicular sa flow siya sa tubig, perpendicular. Then natay datum, depende kung asa ka magbuot. So mo to imong basihan na imuhang zero coordinate. Tapos natay wetted perimeter, mo na siyang perimeter na naigo sa tubig mismo, usahay malampas siya sa riverbank, usahay baba siya sa riverbank. Then we have Saint Venant equation. For one-dimensional unsteady flow in an open channel, the Saint Venant equation for momentum is given by this formula. H is the water surface elevation, or y plus z. SF is the friction slope in order for a open channel to flow. It needs even the slightest slope, and WF is the wind shear factor. Wind shear factor is the sudden change of wind direction or velocity that can affect the fluid on an open channel. SF and SE represents the rate of energy loss as the flow passes through channel. In this summary of Saint Venant equations, we have continuity equations and momentum equations. Under continuity equations are conservative form and non-conservative form. We also have non-conservative form and conservative form on our momentum equation. The fourth part of the momentum equation on non-conservative form is called kinematic wave. Then kinematic wave plus the third term on the non-conservative form on momentum equation is called diffusion wave. If we sum up all the terms on the non-conservative form of the momentum equation, it is called dynamic wave. Now, we have an example. In a river, average velocity and water depth were measured at 3 sections as given in figure 1. The velocity and flow depth were measured at 1 hour interval time. Justify the applicability of diffusion wave approximation for the reaches. So we have a table. Natay time 0 ug 1 hour. Natay tulo ka section sa tuang drawing 1, 2 ug 3. Ang each section kay naa siya given na velocity ug iyahang kalalom. So each time sa 0 ug sa 1 ug sa first 1 hour nagalahi-lahi ang iyang velocity ug naglahi pod ang iyahang kalalom. Pasabot nagadako ang iyahang Q, ang iyahang kadaghan sa tubig. So sa kaning nga problem, ang atong gamiton na formula is kaning naa sa baba, kaning diffusion wave approximation gives, tapos na formula diri sa baba. Karon mag-solve na ta. At time 0 hour, na dito sa tuang formula nga given, isa-isaho na to siya pangita dapat tanan. Isa-isaho to siya solve each term ato kay naay laing nga formula. So kani sa first kuhaon nato ning yang formula rho v over rho x is equals to u3 minus u1 over the change in x. So 0.42 minus 0.4 over 2 is equals to 0.01. Tapos at time 1 hour, same gyapon ang formula na gamiton, u3 minus u1 over change in x is equals to 0.44 minus 0.42 over 2 is equals to 0.01. Tapos kuhaon nimong average sa duha kay mao na nga to ang gamiton sa formula para makabalota kung asa ang unsa ang gamiton na tama. So ang kuhaon ng average kay equals gyapon siya sa 0.01. Nya sa section 11 dito sa table makita nimo nya rho u over rho time is equals to u3 minus u1 over change in time. So ang u 0.42 minus 0.40 over 1 hour is equals to 0.02. Ang 1 hour himuon na tong minutes. So 3.33 times 10 to the negative 4. Nya sa section 3.3 mao ra gyapon formula gamiton, u3 minus u1 over delta time is equals to 0.44 minus 0.42 over 1 hour. So 0.02 over 60 minutes. Ang 1 hour himo na to 60 minutes. So equals to 3.33 times 10 to the negative 4. Kuhaon nimo ang summary ang average na ang duha. So 3.33 times 10 to the negative 4 gyapon. So dito na pud sa lahi na term sa formula sa SF at time 0 sa 0R mao ra gyapon formula gamiton. So rho h over rho x is equals to h3 minus h1 over change in x is equals to 1.3 minus 1.1 over 2 is equals to 0.1 over 2 is equals to 0.05. Tapos sa time at 1 hour, maong gyapon ang formula gamiton sa gigamit sa time sa 0 hour. Pero malahi lang ang given kay lahi man ang iyahang naglahi man ang time niya katong naglahi ang iyahang velocity. So 1.35 minus 1.25 over 2 equals gyapon siya sa 0.05. Kuhaon ni mga average 0.05 gihapon, tapos ibutang nato tanan values niya, i-substitute nato. So mao na siya ang mogawas, 1 over 100 minus 1 over 20 minus 1.5 over 10 times 1 over 100 minus 1 over 10 times 2 over 60. So makita na to dere na ang term nga x4 kaning sa last term sa formula kay mo na siyang pinakagamay, mas gamay siya sa x1, x2 ug x3. So makaingon ta nga kaning x4 kani pinakababa ka nga dili siya nga tama siya. So this diffusion approximation is valid for the analysis of this reach. So mao na siya no. So kanitanan formula magamit nga after solving we can solve that the x4 no kay less than all the terms, and from that we can assume that we can have a velocity and we can measure the depth, and from that we may know what type of formulas or models we can use for Saint Venant equations. So mao na to siya no. Sige, thank you.